Ezidikano, onyo shidi. Kunye neba hobegu, kunye silim nenu akwa mpo. Ina your salon your breeze and your breeze. Isi salon ya nenu akwa nne.
Ugonshi or whatever they call your name. Look, I don't understand what you're saying.
I have just said you are a husband snatcher. Get up from my bed. You are sneezing rubbish. Your breeze and your breezes on my bed.
Look, I didn't just come here. My husband asked me to stay here. Please, I don't have time to exchange words with you. I need to rest.
You need to rest. If you rest, back here rest. You will not rest eleba. Jen and Balezi, did you hear me?
I can't hear you. And please leave me alone. My love, please take this girl out of this place. I beg of you.
What do you think about your love? Did you just call my husband your love? Do not call my husband your love again. Love no fame man.
Marry someone who is not educated.
Educate here. You guys me mama hey boss. Where do you think you are running away to? Where do you think you are running to? Where do you think you are going to? Where's my daughter?
Ronke, the police and I have looked for Buki. We cannot find her for now. We cannot see.
Look. What nonsense are you talking about, Otuba? What nonsense are you talking about? Can you hear yourself?
Ronke, let me know.
We are talking about my daughter here. Buki,
Ronke, let me know. Say me no pass over. Now, do you realize you are talking to your husband? Do you realize you are speaking to Otumba, Fashola Badmos, the Baba Saleko, the Baba European himself, and by the grace of
God? Otobe, what about me? What do you take me for? I said go and look for my daughter for me. You are talking nonsense and rubbish. Eminko, what do you take me for? Emi Forami, Emi Erelu of Ijuland. Ibiro Kesikiratu Bankantoni Fure. Omo Bankantoni. Don't touch me. Don't talk to me. I want my daughter. Ma ba mi so sure. Emi ya sade ko fúnra mi. Mo tún sọ. Kí ló ń bá mi sọ? Emi fúnra mi. Go. Sisi e ko fúnra mi. Emi ló wá bá so sure. Ba wo mo mi.
Okay, settle down. You know you are just coming back from London.
Who told you I'm not settled? Did I tell you I'm not settled? I'm settled. Do you think I flew all the way from London with a Bole Kajabi Modwe? I came with first class. Kilon ba mi so, ba won mo temi o. Ba won mo mi.
Okay, do you want to hear the truth? Buki has a love with that Omoyibo. The boy that impregnated her, we have looked for him and he's nowhere to be found. And if I get that boy, if I send my eyes on that boy, I will make sure I send him to visit that boy. I will make sure.
Ọmọ mi ni kò bá mi wá. So n gbọ́ bí iṣẹ́ sọ fún ẹ, go and look for my daughter.
So fẹ́ fa sọ́mọ ya Ronke.
Go and bring my daughter.
Mama ṣe so fẹ́ fa sọ ya mọ́ ni.
Má fàyà, má jẹ́ lójú.
Aṣọ ìmọ̀ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́. This is an expensive. This is an expensive. Lord is expensive o. Mo máa lọ sí meeting.
If I take meeting nǹkan. Tọ́mọ mi tí mo wọ́n mọ mi, you are going to meeting. What useless meeting are you going to?
Okay, I will call.
Just look for my daughter for me. Nonsense.
Nítorí Ọlọ́run wọn nǹkan tọmọ Yíbò ti ṣe ó fẹ́ dalé ìlú in fact if I get hold of that boy in fact it will be kirikiri kùjẹ́ ni màá rán lọ sí. wọ́n ṣe gbogbo yìí lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ.
How are you doing? What is it?
I'm worried.
Why?
Hey,
can be bad. Everybody in your place don't like me. Your wife hates me. Your mother hates me. Everybody here hates me.
How did you know that? Who told you that?
And everybody in short hates me. I even heard you fighting with one of your uncle. I don't even know the man.
See, my dear, you shouldn't be bothering yourself with...
Let me bother. I have to bother. Is this where I'll stay till I give birth to my unborn baby?
Please, I'm sorry. See, let me tell you something. You see, our love is passing through a test of time. Don't forget that love is patient. Love is forgiving and accommodating. Don't worry with time here.
Ogonna, what is it?
Okay, what's the meaning of this?
You don't know this is my husband. It doesn't balance. You want to claim territory. Only Ziligu who sent you.
Okay, but I thought I've explained to you.
There's nothing to explain here. This man is my husband. Do not come in between. If you come near my husband again, I'll pour you hot oil. Many things in this house.
I've explained to you now to relax. Just give me time.
You brought this upon yourself. Inuge, you are my husband. Legally married though. Nkaro concubine. She should not come in between you and I. You are the SAG and I am the SAG's wife. Yes! The wife to the king of Yamonyam. Nyam was for them.
Be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever, oh, Lolufe. Ife mi. Onye be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever, oh, Lolufe. I will never leave you, my love.
I greet you, sir.
May your tongue drop into your stomach. So this is the Lagos woman, eh? Obinna. Do you know that as the Zeji of Obunike, our goals and tradition forbid what you are doing?
Shit, but let me ask you. Does also our God forbid people from being in love, true love? This is our cause. Does he also deny a man to forsake a woman that is pregnant for him? No, Uncle, check good air from your side. Or the mama, is it nice?
Hey! Tufiakwa! Aro! Hey, wait! Tufiakwa! Aro!
It's nothing, don't worry. Just my uncle. I'll settle with him.
Aro!
Sit down, just.
Sophia!
No, leave him.
Sophia!
Don't cry now. I don't like it when you cry. You break my heart. Nothing will happen to you. Remember, I'm the only one you have right now, so I won't let anything hurt you. Okay? I love you, yeah? Sorry, my love. Sorry, yeah? Sorry, baby. Sorry,
Ife me. Onye be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever, oh, Lolufe. Ife me. Onye be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever.
Love, what wrong did I do in allowing you to marry my daughter? Hey, Zeji!
I'm okay. Please, I'm not in the mood for all this now, please.
Hey, who go near? No.
Did you see that? Did you hear him?
Yes,
he no longer calls me Ogonna as he used to call me. But let me tell you, you will not disgrace my daughter in this village. I will not allow you to disgrace my daughter and my family.
What is it, Gon? What is it now? He's not in the mood. He's not there for me. What is it? I can't fight you people. I can't just fight you people because I'm pregnant. If not, my show in Lepo. No, you po. Oh, yeah, Peter. Oh, just let you go. Peter, what is up here? Leave me alone. Let me talk.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking about. All people there, we should be challenging me and my mother.
Can you put your mouth?
Efele want to tell her what you. Don't put that much again. Efele.
Okay.
Leave my husband! What is this now? Leave him now! Oh!
Okay. Take it easy now. Do you want to kill my son? Why should Ezeji beat up my pregnant daughter? Why should he? Eh? Why? Did you beat up?
No, I'll just...
you just go lost here. Come on, sit down. It's okay. I'm not telling you, Efele.
I don't know what this world is turning to. Obinna looked me in the face and insulted me. Away!
Papa, it's again. Who insulted you?
Who else if not Obinna? Obinna Balisi Slim Balianani. He insulted me and the gods of our land.
You don't mean what you just said to me.
And you know the funny thing? In the presence of Wanyemba, that woman who is the object of a taboo. Hey!
Now, Papa, let me ask you this simple question. What did you do to Obinna when he mentioned the unmentionable?
I flew. I had to flee.
Papa.
I had to flee when my ears were about to tingle.
Papa, so because of Obinna, you had to run, even at this your age. Papa, Ezeji Abrokwane Ezeji Ogo. What is he for now?
Chinedu, come.
Papa, ask him again. What is he for now?
Will you come? Chinedu.
Obinna!
What is it?
You think because of the Ezeji, you can talk to anybody as you want. Obinna, as in school you are attending, meaning is sensitive, that you no longer have respect for my father and our tradition.
Is it me you're talking to like this? Do you know why I'm laughing? Are you not the same Chedu? The same little Chedu that used to run muka through the nose into the mouth that I used to help clean up? The one that I held by the hand and crossed the road? You have the guts to talk to me like that?
Obinna, I have come to warn you to stop inflicting pains on my father and to stop desecrating our tradition, Obinna. Adeamachi, you fugitive. You ran off with a woman without a pillow case.
Chinedu,
Mama,
when did this one start? How dare you talk to your senior brother like that?
Mama Nuku, if not for the respect I have for you and our tradition, I would have shown Obinna what I'm capable of.
Okay, if you have any respect for me, you should get out of my compound.
Mama Nuku, Kopo.
Eh?
Mama Kopo.
Do that thing you want to do. I said do it! Do it!
Ezeji.
Ibo lẹ ti rí wèrè aláṣọ lẹ́lẹ́ ẹgbà wá wèrè lẹ́lẹ́ yọ
Shut up, you prostitute! You called me Were! These are the visit letters! I will show you my now!
Yeah, see lo.
Mama!
See lo.
Mama!
Mama,
I have one gun for sauce. What's up?
okay, Mama.
Get it to your skull! SNG! I'm not going to SNG obodo!
Where you go for your dad?
Chinedu.
Ayé mi o! Ẹ gbà mí o! Ẹ gbà mí wèrè! Ó fẹ́ fọ́ lórí! Yé! Ọlọ́wọ́! Àwọn ọmọ Igbo tuntun bẹ̀rẹ̀! Wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjà rẹ̀ o! Àwọn ọmọ Igbo! Olúwa o! Ọkọ mi o!
Hey, come on, my friend. Come and get inside.
They are abusing the water.
Get inside, my friend. Why are you embarrassing me?
Get inside.
I said get inside.
Is it not your fault? Is it not your fault?
I said get
the one
inside.
that brought her into this compound? If you had not brought her here, this would not be happening.
Mama, why you increasing the tempo?
Mama,
Mama, to go is enough.
it was never like that.
You are not sure. You are winning way now. You are winning way.
Yes, I'm winning way.
Go inside. Mama, I don't like this. You're getting me more confused.
I'm looking at what you're with. You know that to anyhow because your father is not alive.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Go inside. So I don't like this. Mama, I have enough problems on my head already.
My people, that is the situation now. Yes. This age has 2 women who are pregnant for him. Ogechi, one Ilwane, and one Imba, another woman he brought from a distant land. Yes, but you people should not forget that after Obinna, the next age must come from the woman he married traditionally. Yes. Because that is the one approved by the gods. Even witness. Yes.
But Iche Uchendo, my fellow elders, the AZG has put dust on our faces. Good observation. Good observation.
That's very correct. So, in that case, I'm sending you. Huh? Yes. Ibelwe. And yes, Ibelwe. And Chiara to him as a mistress. He has to appease the gods. Yes. For disrespecting them. Hey. Yes, and Ndulwe. Oh, you will make them 3. Yes.
Icheuchendu, Okugamaka, you have spoken well, but wait. I have seen Eke, I have seen Ori, I have seen Nkwo, but where is Afo? You have to complete them 4. Yes. Always raise.
You can join them.
Council.
Complete. That's right.
Ndị iche ibe m, ndị ọzọ na ndị ize. What surprises me most here is that the gods are still quiet. They are still keeping silent, even after he had held them to contempt. Can't the gods even remove him?
Are you telling us here you want to fight for the gods? Won't you allow the gods to fight for themselves? Eh?
Greet the elders of our land.
Good afternoon, sirs.
Don't worry, I'll be with you soon. Emomeji,
Emumeji.
You are no longer qualified to chant Emumeji until you have gone to appease the gods. You damned.
You must go and see Ozukanku with a white cockerel, 1 he-goat, and 4 kola nuts.
That is it.
Yes.
That is it.
Oh, let me ask. Where am I supposed to get this money from?
Huh? What kind of question is this?
You all know my condition now.
Obina. In a jump can join.
Oh!
Are you asking us so that we can ask who?
No,
okay. Huh? It's better go and ask the gods whom you have insulted.
Yes.
And let me tell you. Go and see Ozukampo before it is too late.
That is it.
Do you get that message crystal clear? Did you? You must have gotten the message.
No. Ogonna.
Let's go. What of the kola nuts and the...
Eat your kola nut. Eat your kola nut.
These people, they won't just understand. How man got up and who can even name me?
What I want you mongo, I don't move over. Okwada bebe over zelu. I said I want to wait you mongo when I had a move over zelu. Iche uchendo.
Ozukampo, I don't know what to do honestly because he's getting worse by the day. He says he cannot appease the gods, that he doesn't have money.
But what has to be done has to be done. Because Namiri Dolu Neju Dolu Wankata.
You see, the first time he misbehaved, I was responsible for the appeasement. So, should I do it once again because Obinna is incapable?
If you do not do it, it might affect you first. Because the baboon and monkey come from the same family.
But with this behavior, will he still remain this age?
That question is meant for the gods and the goddess of Allah.
But how can he desecrate the land, disregard the gods, and still remain this age?
The gods are not mere mortals. Yes, we shouldn't think for them. They know what to do, and they will do when they want to do. I can see anger written all over your face.
Go. Go. Do all you are supposed to do. Leave the rest for the gods.
If your uncle does not have money to buy water for you, go down to Nkisi and fetch your own water. It is not my auto you want to you use. You are pregnant, I am pregnant. There's no difference.
You know I'm not used to suffering where I'm coming from.
I'm not used to fetching water. Just one button, water will come out.
You are used to suffering.
Me, I'm used to suffering.
Look, Ngonshi, just leave me.
Hey! My name is not Ngonshi. Your name is
My name is Ogechi.
Your name is
Ogechi.
Ogechi.
Spell it.
It's a volleyball.
Spell it. Bush girl.
My husband fake money. I Okay. Olodoji E-C-H-I. Olodoji. I don't fetch water. So there you drink your water. Drink your water. I will slap you in your ball. Peter, each of me take his gentleman. Many get out. Yeah. Look, Mama. It is better if you know who Bookie is. Please warn her. She should not touch any water I fetch in this house. If she wants water to do anything, if she wants to do anything with water, she should go down to kiss and fetch her own. Is that what I'm Good afternoon. Can't boy, let me tell you. Opa naga wala wala, anya naga vem na fwe. Look at you. Where are you coming from? Your mates have been back since. Chinedu, who is in the same school with you, came back since last week. Now you're just flying in like a butterfly. Ebere see.
Mama, Ini Edo no. You think about all sorts. I'm at UN and while Chinedu is at Enugu State University. That's why, and they finished the exams a week ago. That's why he called me. Hey! It's already! Surprise!
So good to see you.
What are you doing here?
Jude brought me here to your village.
Yes, see your belly.
Isn't this what I am saying? I am talking. I've stayed long here. I can now sing your song.
Are you serious?
I can cook many of your soup. Let me sing for you now.
I'm listening.
Okay, take position. Get ready to
okay.
Okay. Oh, if them there we wear the accurate so punya. Also, what you go.
Oh, if them there we wear ya the go. Also, come see ya the go.
Oh, if them there we wear ya the go.
My friend,
I can cook soup. Are you serious?
Yes.
This soup. Over Lugo, Buki, Omongo, Olombo Lamaroti. Then I can cook on her. You know, I sang that song. Oh, even the women, everybody in this village they are wearing well. This but even wearing well.
When they don't want you to be upset.
You know what they say? You don't understand. Let me help you. He has gone to the market. So he's Oyinliya market.
Okay. Oye Olisa.
You even know if I not bothering me.
Don't worry, I'll teach you so many other things.
You even know.
Mom said I'll teach you so many other things.
Hey! Edith, so you planned with Obinna to destroy my home and make me a laughing stock in Obunike.
Mama, I met her when I went to Lagos and she was quite nice to Jude at night. So,
hey, Mama, if you na eat that one you have, I'm telling you.
Hey, you're having two face.
How?
He went two face. Hey, it is him, that girl. He's the wicked. It is what the wicked. The wicked person. It is just you.
Mama, one Ogecho, one her not insult me. How can it be him?
Insult to he making it. Insult to he making it. Hey, so he arranged it on your phone for your brother. Now marriage him, you will only see that shaving. Are you not a wicked person? Yeah, it was only the Jezebel. You are the latest Jezebel. China made Jezebel. Let's your
Mama, I can't take this anymore.
You can't walk out on. You can't take it. You could never ask him. He was quite nice. Chopping and on your Kinawa. On your Kinawa. Don't walk walking. If you will know to not walk. You are even not white. Watch them. Watch them.
And you? Were you abusing me?
I was doing you makeup.
Hey,
yeah, it is. Okay, the money just chalum no now. Chalum no now. Makobo no home, okay? I will show you Pepe. Nyam, go second on will cook keep. What you know will cook keep?
Cheregodi, Omukina or Okuiwa. Nga wagging again, you know, Mama.
You did!
me, oh! She slapped me, oh! Oh, my mother, my now! Oh, my mother, my now! Hey!
Why did you make this kind of mistake? Why?
It's my sister. More than each time I think about the whole situation, the whole wahala, I just wish I could turn back the hand of clock, if it's possible.
But it's not possible now. It's not. I know Boke was your pillar. I'm not on and I was even thinking again I am my boyfriend and girlfriend. Can you just now pacharako? Eh?
See, my sister, I may have not had the gods. No matter what anybody thinks or says, I may have not been able to tell anybody this before. But you know the truth, I love Boke. Without regret, yes. Leave that everything happened the way it happened now. Eh? I love her.
But if you did not get her pregnant, all these problems wouldn't have come up. Eh? And I know if she knew that you were married, she would have gone. But this pregnancy now has made you to be in between the devil and the deep blue sea. Can he make it that? But bro, I'm joking again. Why didn't you use condom? Why? Condom was able. Why?
Women were always very lazy, especially in Ghana. Once it stands in the morning and you try to put any condom, it will fall.
You insist, force it.
Or the one is easy.
You force it.
You think it's easy? That is not even my biggest problem. Now, one of my other major problems now is your school.
Eh?
Yes. By the time you go back for your final year now, or when you're ready to go back, I don't know how you were going to cope. Eh? As per money. That's even the one that is even boiling my head right now.
Wait. So what are you telling me? That I'm going to drop out of school?
That's not what exactly I'm saying, but it's just that it's been from one problem to the other. Can you remember? From my business center to the saga of Boke getting pregnant to double marriage. Then fourthly is SAG, and finally I'm back home doing nothing.
But you would have avoided some of these problems if you had forced this thing to enter. I mean, you would have stopped some of these problems.
No, you think it's that very easy? I opened my eye and set fire on my head, Abby.
You just don't go and may enjoy. No, cheerful in here.
Hey, it's enough. I don't like that.
He has not called me all this month.
But as his very close friend, you should be able to take me there now, to know where he is. Don't tell you alone, that conjure.
Egmo Willie, brother Willie, don't tell alone, help us, help her. I brought her here so you can help her locate her daughter. Help a woman that has been in pain for some months now. Don't tell alone.
Me, I don't want trouble, oh. I don't want anybody to call police for me, oh. I don't want to go to cell, as you see me so. I don't want near panty or alagbon.
But that Willie. There will be no trouble. Nobody will put you in cell or take you to alagbon. See, let me even tell you. Otumba safe. We don't know about this. Nobody will know about it except the three of us. Yes. Nobody. You hear me, please. Help a mother that is in serious pain. My heart is bleeding. Don't tell you alone. Shanu me. Shanu me, Joe.
Madam, I can't remember the place again. I've only been there once. And since our shop got burnt at Balogun, Madam, to eat now wahala. And I can't think straight now.
I now understand. I understand you. Oh, Willie. No wahala, no trouble. I understand what you mean. You see, I have money. I will give you money. See, it's check that I will write, so that with this you'll be able to think straight now. I'll give you cash, but this one. All there. Look at it. This one.
I know it's not as if I'm begging, but if you insist.
I insist. Say this one. You will fill in your name, the rest. I insist. It's not bribe. I know it's not bribe. I'm not bribing you. I help now so that it will help your situation also. It's not easy for somebody's shop to be burnt in Balogun.
Madam, Now I can teach. If you enter a bus from Lagos to Onitsha, once you get to Onitsha, enter another one going to.
I call this meeting so that we can all come together and put our heads together as one family. Because it's obvious that for a very long time now, we've not had peace in this house. Especially since I came back with Okorie. So I'm pleading that peace comes back to our family.
Ikusigo?
Yes, Mom.
Okuya Amaka. Good talk. But there's something I want to tell you. He that brings in termite-infested firewood should be ready for the visit of the lizard. Now, can go on again, Igbo, because you know sometimes your network are unstable. Onye patalon kwaru singwele bialia no.
Well, Mama, I do not understand where you're coming from. Neither do I see where you're going to. So explain to me, who is the person who is gathering the firewood? Who is a termite and who is a lizard?
If you give family, or that dabase, your brain, you gotta go. I will explain to you. Ndimwa bo binna, but the person who the firewood. This Lagos spider, a woman that you're not legally married to, a wedding amala, isi Lagos Bute, is the termite. Well, okay, and myself are the lizards.
Supported. I support you 20 times.
Mama, be careful what you say before me.
Don't talk to me like that. I am not Obiageli Munyedi that you will tell to bring he-goat and tubers of yam. I will not do it. For your information, the gods have left you. Yes, you're asking for peace. Which peace? There shall be no peace in this house until you return this Lagos witch. Okrifonya, Oyana.
Shongboju, you are hearing now. Mama, I'm Lagos witch. Shongboju, I'm Lagos witch.
Okonna, Ali.
Mama, it's okay now. What is this now? Mama, see you. 20 times. It's okay now. What is this?
It's another team.
Which team again?
It's another team.
Okay.
Mama,
see her now.
Stop! Look at her.
Oh, see.
Mama!
What's it? What about? Since you started carrying this thing on your head, you've been misbehaving. Nonsense. I'm going to and use it for ritual. Nonsense.
Mama, cook akide for him. Maybe, just maybe he will eat.
Chinedu, what have I not cooked for your father? I have cooked everything I know he likes to eat. But he don't seem to have any appetite for food. To me, I don't think food is his problem now.
His problem is psychological.
Psychological? Yeah. Look at one English in car for me. You know I did not go to university with my son.
Even he Papa so Sinobi. His problem is emotional.
At least now I understand what you meant. After all, I went to Ogidi Girls. Chinedu, I think we better start to think of what to do to my husband before he dies of thinking.
It's in a car that was me, man, as cameras.
Obinna has caused Papa so much pains. Imagine the amount of money Papa spent just to appease the gods on what he did not even do. Papa was not even the cause of it at all.
Chinedu.
Mama.
With what is happening in Unoma's house, are you sure the gods are still written?
I don't think so, Mama. Because how can the so-called Ezeji Emumeji now be the black sheep of this family?
Oh, Fanchan.
He has even made Papa his own enemy. After all Papa has done for him. Hey, Mama, check his hand.
If I talk now, they will say Obengini has said. That's why I kept quiet. My main concern is my husband. Let him just come out of this and start eating normally. Make lazy for Nana.
Uju, my wonderful friend, the defender of the rejected. When last did you see our friend Ogechi?
So, Chum, you're so happy with what is happening to our friend Ogechi, right? Huh? So you think you're exempted? The same thing that happened to Ogechi cannot happen to you?
God forbid. Maybe you.
Oh, maybe me. So because you're Queen Elizabeth?
Yes.
You're Queen Elizabeth. You're Queen Elizabeth. That is why it cannot happen to you. Shebi?
Yes! What am I saying? That is a big man. I was calling up. You can see Mama beating her. Yes, yes, yes. Giving her like this. Yes, yes. Uju, give her chandelier. Give her like this. Uju.
Yes, Uju.
Look at this. Yes, yes, yes. Uju, give her enough. Look at this. Yes. Yes. Would you stop? What happened? Yes, Uju. I'll beat you. Yes, Uju. What happened? Yes.
You. Come and carry your gun. You're mad. Don't carry your gun. Come and carry your gun. You will see it. I was making you feel like we are fighting. Help me.
Igwe. Eze Dianyima Nobuneke. I greet you.
Ichendulo, K4. What is the problem that needs my urgent attention? I want you to go straight to the matter.
Igwe, it is only the race of no consequence that a woman would run gripping her breast. Our land, the fertility of our land is being threatened, Igwe. And this could affect the prosperity of our people.
Iche, Batu, you are still on the Iroko tree. I want you to come down and speak to me in a plain language.
Igwe, there is problem in our land. Right now, the SAG is doing Omenenu instead of Omenana. That is why I have run down quickly to let you know so that you will come into the matter before things get out of hand.
You are right. I am the Igwe. There's no doubt about that. But I want you to know that Igwe cannot do everything. If there is a problem within Emumeji, Iche Uchendo would have informed me of that, and not you. Moreover, Ozu Kampu has the final say on that, not even me, the Igwe. Anyway, as a member of the Emumeji, my advice to you people is that you should go home and settle amicably. The head of the ram is in the bag of the ram. Isimpi, Nana Akpampi. As you can see, I'm on my way to Oka. I have a meeting to attend with His Royal Highness, the Igwe Lazekwempe, the Ezendieze, and I can't keep him waiting. Good day.
Hey! Hey! Afụwa m anya. Ịgwa ụmụ m n'ana. Hey! Hey! Ịgwa ụmụ m n'ana. Hey! Yeah.
Ọ̀túnba fúnrẹ̀ ọkọ tèmi nìkan ṣoṣo Ọ̀túnba bàbá àsàlẹ̀ kó fúnrẹ̀ bàbá European. You see my dear husband,
Yeah.
I have a favor to ask from you.
When I hear all those praises, I believe there is something behind it. What is the favor?
You see my dear husband,
Yeah.
There's this meeting coming up in Ijuland, and you know that as the Relu of Ijuland, I can't afford to be absent from that meeting.
All right. When is the meeting?
It's the day after tomorrow.
So, well, you can go tomorrow then.
Toto?
Yes.
Thank you, my dear husband. That's why I love you. Thank you for understanding the fact that, you know, the work of an Relu is very demanding and task.
That's why I'm in support of you becoming the Relu. That is why we are dressed as Otumba, Badmus, Fashola, and Erelu, Ronke, Sikira, Fashola. Is that not a good combination?
Thank you,
I will take my leave now. All right.
Take care of yourself.
I will see you when I come back.
Have a lovely day.
All right. Thank you. Yeah.
The chicken has finally come to roost. What do you seek from a man with a broken heart? Caused by one who has forgotten yesterday as if it never existed.
If only the heart has a way of playing its record to show the pains that I've been through since our incident, it would have gladdened me. But that notwithstanding, I'm just here to show my profound apology and gratitude.
I will never accept your apology. I will never.
Ichie, please. I am truly very sorry. Forgive me.
Where do I start? Where do I start to forgive you? Is it the insult you heaped on me? Or is it our tradition and custom you abused? Or is it the gods you relegated and disrespected? Where do I start? Where?
Chef, like I said before, I'm truly sorry. I'm ready to make amends. My heart has not known peace since that time.
How can you have peace? When a hunter sets a trap in the bush, what does he get? You brought in another woman. When the first one has barely settled, and you have not even gotten a replacement for SAG. Let me tell you, the chaos in your house will ever increase, except you send away that woman.
But you said that woman we're talking about is carrying my baby. Who knows? Nobody knows, but eventually she might just deliver a replacement for the SAG's position.
Well, I will not decide for the gods. The two women are pregnant. So, let's watch and see. But the trouble in your house will never cease. Just like the ocean can never get rid of turbulent waves. Period.
Well, Iche, like I said before, I'm sorry. I'm ready to make amends. And while we wait for the decision of the gods, I will stop at nothing to make peace with you.
Nah, good afternoon. Nah, Jude. Welcome.
Better me.
I prepared a delicious sweet ginger wine, and I know you will like it, especially now that SAG is here with you.
Let me have a little of it. Then you get some for SAG.
For now?
Yes.
Now bring your own. Let me go bring it.
Yes.
Iche, I must say that your hospitality knows no bound. I'm very grateful.
When I look at you, I remember the day you were initiated as the SAG, which you are today.
Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji okadiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze dubinani, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji okadiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze.
Before the young Obina, the magic I name, which about Tarinese age, Nagimelofoma. Come a Galegi, Fama Fini, Fama Fonazo. I don't want to Jamama Fogi. Yemen come at Nagisime. Rise.
jupụta bịa n'ụdị obodo ebiri n'udo. O bidoro na gbogbo, o bidoro na gbogbo, emume ji ọganiru. O bidoro na gbogbo, jibụ eze n'ubi na nni, emume ji emume udo. O bidoro na gbogbo, o bidoro na gbogbo, o bidoro na gbogbo, o bidoro na gbogbo, emume ji ọganiru. O bidoro na gbogbo, jibụ eze n'ubi na nni, emume ji emume udo. O bidoro na gbogbo, o bidoro na gbogbo, o bidoro na gbogbo, emume ji ọganiru. O bidoro na gbogbo, jibụ eze n'ubi na nni, emume ji emume udo. O bidoro na gbogbo, o bidoro na gbogbo, o bidoro na gbogbo, emume ji ọganiru. O bidoro na gbogbo, jibụ eze n'ubi na nni, emume ji emume udo. O bidoro na gbogbo.
Ichuchendu.
That was when tradition was tradition.
Oh, I see. That's the reason I was given 2 tubers of yam at my traditional marriage?
Yes. And that is why you must hold Ogechi to your heart and ensure that no woman comes between you and her.
No. Just prepared it now.
Oh yeah, go.
This is for you. Hey, Ezeji, this is for you.
Oh yeah, go.
You like it?
Thank you. Hey, well. Hey.
Oh. Hey! Ekutosu Wanemo. Ekutosu Wanemo. Wonders they say shall never end. Have you seen how this world is? Have you seen how this world is, my sister? Oh.
All that glitters is not good.
My sister, all that glitters is not good. Oh. All that glitters is not good, oh, my sister. If they had told me that SAG would be like this, if they had told me that SAG will do this, I wouldn't have believed it. My sister,
Oh, but mom, I warned you. I warned you not to give your daughter's hand in marriage to him. Listen, Bani, you were carried away with the fact that SAG of Omunike will soon be your son-in-law. If Ogonna, you have gotten the Okaro.
Put us together. No. It put us. What did you just say now? Hey! Anna kon kemeleme. Osaneme. It put us. Are you adding more salt to the joke? No. Did you come here to mock me? No. I'm actually. Did you come here to mock me? I'm asking you. Mock? Yes. Did you come here to mock me?
God forbid. The truth they say is bitter. Okay, you thought by now your yam bars must have been filled with yams. If you get what you do.
Ekutos, you are mad. Ekutos, I say you are very, very stupid. So I called you here, so that you will come and share in my grief.
If I'm here, Cholo, golf.
Get out of my house now! Get out of my house now!
Again, hey, the one no, Odogunwa, Mamulam, Naya, a guap and go on with. But I'll put your photo. Hold your mother. Congratulations. Hold me now.
Mama Cherry go the first, Let the news be broken before you start congratulating me.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Very soon, within 24 hours, the news will be broken. And everybody will hear. Hey. Stop it. You did well.
What is good for the goose is good for the gander.
Don't worry. I prepared a nice chicken for you. Hey. Not goose. Come, I will feed you with my hands.
Hey.
Hey. Oh.
Hello. Hey, thank God. I've been looking for how to see you all this while. Oh, thank God I saw you here today.
Yeah, my name is Chioma. My name is Buki, Jude's wife from Ezinike, the Ezinke of this land.
She said Ezinke. Please, if it's Jude, the one I know that is from this village, his title is Ezechi, not Ezinke.
Thank you, Sioma. Thank you for this correction. You see, you know me, I'm not from this place. My tongue is not the same thing as your tongue. I'm not from this old Boke. You are Ajokuta Mummy in our village.
You just called me Sioma, which is good shit. I'm not good shit now. And that thing is not Obunike. It is Obunike. Stop spoiling our names now.
Obuluke. Hey! See, you're my friend. You're my only friend in this village. I'm happy. Nobody will be talking to me. At least I have you now as my friend. Your tongue is thick, but I will be learning. Already, you know your tongue is different from our tongue. You people, you eat tapu, jokuta mamumini.
Understand? You want to sell me too? No, now.
Where I come from, Oremi means my friend, and you are a sweet one at that. You are beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I learned Ogechi is giving you trouble.
Oremi.
See, the only solution to her, if she gives you trouble, give her back. That's the only way she will respect you. Don't allow her to intimidate you. Lie.
Sioma, you don't know me. See, I'm just pretending, I'm just pretending in this your village. If you know where I come from, they call me Omo Eko, Omo Isaleko, Ito Badgon, Ito Rayoshi. If I have time, I'm just slowing down. Mama Pada Nuni Leseko, Oremi, I will destroy her. Please, you don't know me.
I did not say you should go and kill somebody. Yeah?
No, I'm not going to kill her. But I will deal with her on your behalf. You will see. I will make you proud.
Bye-bye. My friend. Ore. Hey.
You like this?
I like it very well. When you finish this one, you just say amazing.
Go, you too.
Who doesn't like good things? Because hey.
But that will be in the night too. In the night that we do that.
Come and walk and I'm ready for you. How do you catch her? I get you.
What is happening here? You disgrace me. For what now? Must you rub it on my face? Do me, stop well.
Again, Name. You don't tell me it's a mad woman you brought into this house. See, if Edika Lagos, you brought her all the way from Lagos to come and disturb our peace here. Can't me and my husband have a moment of peace in this house?
Emma, why don't sorrow? You have 1 month. Lagos where I come from. If you like, they give you 15 now. If you want to collect it many times. You will remain in the village to make money there and power idiots. If you not, I will show you this village. The 2 days that I've stayed here, I will show you that I've learned. Now, Jude, over to you. If you know that we've gone through a lot together, if you know that we know how we started together, before you came to marry this 1 month wife, Jude won't suffer. I'm telling you now. Oh yeah, Shekia. If you remember the dates, everything we've gone through together in Lagos, today, oh yeah, follow me. And if you know that you are the father of this baby, Jude, Dideo, stand up and follow me. Tell me, oh Jude. Tell me.
If you know you calendared me, and went to my father's house, brought me out, paid the bride price, did everything and the medicine wine to marry me. Get up, let me see you. Let her say it, let it work, let me see. In this compound. Nobody dies.
Jude, if you calendar me, if you monthly me, go, oh no, village wife, 1 month, all day. I will show you this village. I have time for you. Animal fun. That was 1 month. 1 month on the wife. 15 now they marry you. You get a dog. After them, oh, baje! Unfair.
Did he get up? It's a volleyball. I can't one. Is it you are mad? You are going nowhere. I didn't catch that. Abu, the wife to the king of Yam. No shaking out of cataract. Where be Naija? Jack with the camp. No film one of the Bible will take na Sagalion Onya Fonasa. Hey, you didn't walk up like yourself. I'm going to walk up.
Mama, oh my God, has it happened?
Akara yasago.
What are you talking about? Don't tell me that.
Mama.
What? Far from it, Mama. No, you're not serious. I know what I did.
Far from it.
Hey! Hey!
Far from it. You conspired with your mother to kill the SAG. Once an SAG is installed, his life is protected. It's only the gods that can kill the SAG. The initial SAG always protects the life of the succeeding one. You poisoned my son! You poisoned my son! But I neutralized the poison.
would have punished you. But for the sake of your noble family name, I will not do that. You woman, go! What happens go for attempting to take the life of Ezeji? Go!
Thank you, sir.
Go!
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mama, Mama,
Hey! Hey! Ewo! Hey! Ewo no! Hey! Chileno!
Uchendo, do not be afraid. An abomination has been committed in your household. Your wife and your son tried to kill Ezeji, but I neutralized the poison. They must perform sacrifice to appease the gods. Sorry for what everybody is putting you through. Be courageous and strong.
Thank God I am not going home with you.
Okorie, so you have left me there to suffer in your father's house. Meanwhile, you're part of the people that caused that trouble.
How? Mama, please don't even start.
Edith, don't finish. Osim, don't start. Start, Jenny. You're the one that caused it. Let me tell you, I can never leave my husband's house to go to my father's house to rest. When there's war in my house, meanwhile, this caused the trouble.
But Mama, when will all these troubles end?
How would I know? Stay here now and have peace. While I go back to my husband's house, that is a war zone. Anyway, that money that I kept on the cupboard, near Juachi. See her that she should give it to Tabo. They know what to do with the money.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, but just take care of yourself. Be careful of those tigresses, please.
Be careful. Be careful.
How can you think of such a thing? Hey! How can you think of such a thing? Hey! You wanted to kill somebody you will bury. Hey! You want to kill somebody you will bury. Hey!
Papa!
Hey!
Papa!
Hey!
Papa, we wanted him to rest so you can have peace.
You wanted to be Ezeji?
No, Papa.
Isn't it?
No.
Because of your greed and jealousy.
No, Papa, no.
Let me tell you, the Ezeji is sacred and untouchable. This is the height of atrocity. Hey, way. The height of atrocity.
Obiageli! You will go back to your father. Hey, okay, float away!
No, okay,
Obiageli!
Because I want now. Because I don't have a father.
And you, Chinedu, your next school fee is what I will use to appease the gods. What have I done to you people in this house? What have you want to kill somebody you will bury? Out! Out!
Let me breathe.
My right thing breathes too good.
Both of you! Let me pray! I want your heads! I said out! Will you get out? Out!
Let me go inside.
Obiageli!
Let me go inside.
Obiageli, your father's house!
We come inside.
Obiageli!
Sage, all these days we've been together now, it reminds me of the time when we newly got married. You know
the night is still early. These kind of things are done in the midnight or early hours of morning. Of course, I'll do it later, yeah? I'll do it.
My love, what are you doing with her? And what have you people been doing? See, he was with you yesterday, most of all. Today is my turn. So we are Butter, get out of here. What are you doing here?
It's not gonna. It's not gonna. So you don't know this is my room? You don't know you're a concubine? Look, he was with me yesterday. He is with me now and will be with me today, tomorrow, and one nature naga.
Just Omo Igbo. So you don't want to leave? My love, if you please know her. No problem, I'll go beg you. Tell her, oh yeah, go butter. Let her go out. If not, the one can be a CD to people in Lagos by pouring you salt water. I will do more than that. It is me now.
It's no problem.
Hey, you talk about Shashalan. Shashalan, over Shashalan, Chocolate. Well, I will show you Lagos style. Sorry. Lagos style, I be Gongo style. Oh, Tigori. Oh,
Chineke. Hey! Chineke na me. Hey,
Shake. Oh yeah, DJ Kokota. Orí ò pé.
Keko wo Chineke. Na, ifa ki deli. Ezech. Ifa ki.
I'll make you come out for here. You've been waiting me, I've been looking at you.
As if the penny the pastor. Hey!
Orí ò pé.
Pastor.
Sweetheart, what were you doing with her? You two, you are doing. I'm not even feeling. Ara to me. Orí gbogbo yín ó pè ọkọ mi máa máa dàbí lánàá. Need to relax. Ní báwo? Nílùú Ìgbò àjọpọ̀, we shall drag this village together. Ara tú mi, ayé gbà mí. This is my space. Let me relax. Nonsense people. We don't talk finish. One man now on we come. All of us will we in this Igbo land. We go. Ọmọ na di soup ọ̀há ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn. Ọ̀há láti hapun àjẹbẹ.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Excuse me.
Yes, please. Come.
Mommy?
Yes.
I mean, they call?
So, please. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Please, I'm looking for the house of one Mr. Jude Mbamala. Yes, Mbamala. He stays in Lagos, but he has come to his village.
Madam, the Jude wey me myself know. His name na Ubamalu, not Ubamala.
Yes. Please, can you direct me to their house?
Madam, wetin you wan go find for that war zoom na? Na heavy gbege dey that side o. But anyway, based on say me and you dey align well with the flow. I dey wan rush go worry na like this so. But because of you, I fit postpone my journey for just 20 minutes. But you go find me small change, small thing.
It's okay, don't worry. I'll give you something, okay? I'll give you something. Come into the car, just take me there.
You sure?
Why not?
You sure so?
Come in, I will give you something.
I know they play with my money, oh.
I'll give you something, good thing.
Okay. So before I go enter, I go put my slippers on. Male, this your motor call well.
Ross. Jumbo, how are you?
You sabi catch big thing well. Now wow, bros, you too much, Male, this not the Jude where they look for. Settle me, make I dey move. Now worry get me so like this. Chapter, make it heavy, oh. Make the money pockish. Jude, what we align later now? In the evening, I go come see you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Are you the Jude?
Yes.
You? Where's my daughter? So, where's my daughter? Yes, my daughter. Where's my daughter?
Mommy.
Where have you? Where did you?
Mommy, do mommy.
Bukola. Tèmi ti bàjẹ́, ìwọ ọmọ yóò ti bà tèmi jẹ́, ó ti bà ayé mi jẹ́. Bukola! Just look at you. Ìwọ ọmọ tàbí ire tó wá láti ilé ire. Wo nǹkan tó wá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dá. You, have you forgotten your background? Do you know where you are coming from? Look at yourself. Look at what you have turned yourself into. What are you doing? You don't belong here. And you impregnated my daughter and abducted her. You! I'm going to... Wait, what did you say? What kind of useless love are you talking about? Love!
That's my husband.
Bukola. You've disgraced me. You've disgraced our family. Niwo. Èmi Ereluronke Sikiratu Fashola. Èmi Sisi Saleko. Èmi Mama European. Just imagine. Omotemi bi. A child from a royal home, you Bukola, finding yourself in this rotten, God-forsaken place. Oya, Afara, into the car. Oya,
me one motor koko.
Money, one motor
koko. Me one motor. I'm not going anywhere.
Boki,
ma.
Money, one motor for me.
Me one motor. Me one.
Oda, I know what to do. This is what you have turned my daughter into. A rebel. Just hold on. Then I will show you. Hey, Hey, Commissioner.
If you call any police, mommy, what? I will shock you. I will kill myself. I will kill myself. I will slice myself. Oh, this is my husband. I love him.
I'm not calling any police again. I'm not calling anybody. I'm not going anywhere. Give it to me. Okay. Just look at yourself, look at the way you are looking. I mean, nobody will believe the background you come from. Imagine.
Mommy, leave background alone. There is no background in this matter. Background does not give real happiness. Mommy, I love Jude. And let me tell you the truth, Jude loves me too, Mommy.
Bukola, let me tell you something. I'm not going to allow you to stay here one more second. Do you hear me? You are going home with me.
Mommy, I'm not coming. Mommy, leave me alone. This is my home.
You look here. This is not your home. This is okay.
Mama Jude.
Mama. This is my home. You will go. So you don't know you're a concubine. I am Jude's legal wife. Yes. So each and all maka that's your plate that he washes in the midnight and in the morning. You are not staying. You will call and salute your mama.
Come, my dear girl. Oh, you can't insult my daughter like that.
I sing you Buchiano, yeah. It's not getting them go along now. If you ever not Sulumo Yibo, and that was so Waka come here. No, woman, let me just tell you. You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at your daughter. She waka alone all the way from Lagos. I know my care. Lagos. Can you imagine? Well, Dennys over there. It was my son. You train her. She's not trained. We did not pay her bride price. No traditional rights. We don't know you people. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Oh my goodness, Bukola, for God's sake, look at the insults I'm receiving because of you. Just look at, imagine this one talking to me like that.
Oh! Because of your... It's not insult. I will show you insult. If you don't take this child out of this place, I will show you the stuff I'm made of.
Olúwa, èmi fúnra mi, èmi lele ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí. Ṣé mi lele ń bá sọ̀rọ̀? I am you see how she's insulting me. This witch.
Witch? You are the one that is a witch, and your daughter. I will show you how I fly in the afternoon. What is this?
Mama! Get inside! Jude, yes, look, I'll break your head. Get inside! Jude, you must come with me. I'll break your head. Jude, yes, who get you? Go inside. I'll break your head. Okay. Hey! Obinna, have you seen it? Obinna, have you seen it? I told you. I knew it was going to generate to this. Look at all the insult heaped on me and the cheer like me. Hey! Alam.
Ife me, Onye be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever. Oh, Lolufe. Ife me, Onye be my darling, my honey. I will never never leave you. We're together forever. Oh,
I did not see it. Don't push me again.
I will not repeat myself again. Chile, where's my money?
I did not see any money. Did you give me any
Only
money?
the of us stays in this house. Papa cannot touch my money. Even Mama cannot touch it. I left the money on that table. Chile, where's my money?
What am I doing? I
Where's
did
my
not see any money. Leave me alone. Don't touch me that belt, though.
Chile, where's
I
my
did not see any money.
Where's my money?
Chinedu, what is all this? Eh? Chinedu! So, if I did not arrive in time, you could have killed her! Chinedu, what have you done? I have to appease the gods before something terrible happens in my house. Hey, wait! Why did I procrastinate? I could have done it yesterday. Because there's no smiling face at all. Hey, wait!
Oh my God!
Hey, wait!
Okay, you don't mean what you're telling me.
Otumba, welcome. I mean every single word I told you. Will I lie to you? Mo sunkún láti abúlé wọn yẹn dẹ́kun ni. I cried all the way from that their stinking, dirty, horrible looking village until I got to Lagos. If you see your daughter, hey, she's not looking like the daughter of the great Otumba Badmus Asholarara. Ojú tì mí.
I know what I'm going to do. I know what my own daughter looking like a housemaid. Not magic. I know what I'm going to do.
You have not seen anything or heard anything. See, if you get to that their village, you will see different kinds of people. Horrible, fierce, fearful looking people, looking at like hungry people that want to devour someone. Like lion, like masquerade. Take one, I've never seen anything like that before. If you see the way they attacked me, Otumba, I had to run for my dear life.
Then I must go there next week. I will go there next week and be prepared. Buki must come back home with me. She must leave that village. Ben Musofon, I will make sure I bring her back here. Let them wait for me.
You think she will agree to come with you? I don't know what that stupid, wicked Omoma Shamfani, Olori Buruku Omo. What he has given to her daughter. She won't come with you. What are you talking about? She has given her something. That is why she had denied and denounced her heritage.
They will see Otuma in action. They will see me in action. By the time I deal with them, they will know that I am Otumba Badmus Fashola. Someday governor of Lagos State. They will see me in action. I will deal with them. By the time I finish with them, they will never mess up with any Yoruba man in their life.
Hey,
Fashola. Ọmọ mi wá ṣe ọwá di ọmọdọ̀. No, I'm going there.
Is it only that
I will deal with them.
As if you see.
I will deal with them. Don't.
Okorie.
Yeah, what?
My love.
Edo?
I went to look for you inside. You are not there.
I'm here, dear.
My love, see, I want to beg you for a favor.
What is it?
My waist, Don't do me.
Spanish.
Really paining me. What about me massage, Joe? It's a little What carry the bead upstairs? Yes, okay.
I will never leave you. We're together
paining me.
My Neo! Ay! Ezeji, come! My knee! Oh no! Ezeji, Hey!
Sweetheart, let me come and meet you there. Let's do it together. Let me bring it down. Don't come. Put it. Oh yeah. Massage your back. Don't stay like that.
Massage my leg.
My waist. My waist. My waist is thank you. He's penetrating. anything. Oh yeah. Oh shit. He's sweet.
Massage, Biko massage.
He's entering.
Is it massage? Hey! Is it back up?
What? Give me this.
Is it massage? Massage, is it drop now? Is it? I can. Hey, is it drop? Must you snore the whole building down?
I was not snoring, I was sleeping.
No, give me I was sleeping. It's too much pepper and oil that you eat. That is why you snore every day.
I didn't know it's pepper. Mama, just your ugly every time. Mama, what is this now?
Every time your friend does your shrink, it's pepper and oil. Too much of it.
In this house, you don't let me rest. You don't let me be myself. Every time you be telling me when. What is it when? I'm trying to learn your language to satisfy you. You know, you hate me so much in this house.
I don't hate you.
You hate me.
I just want you to go. You're not the wife. You need only one wife, the one that he has paid down for. Naba Nanyan.
Where am I going to, Mama? Where?
To your father's house now.
I'm pregnant for your son, Mama. I'm carrying your born baby. What is it?
Give me Messia.
What is it? Every time in this house I try to satisfy you. You'll be telling me Leweluwe, Mama. What are you willing? I will carry something you tell me I can't carry it in Leweluwe. I will sleep you, can you tell me Leweluwe? I will go away when you tell me Leweluwe, Mama. This house will go way together. We go way together.
Ogechi, I pray you will be the first person to give birth to a male child, so that you can be relevant and be respected in our community.
Why do you say so?
Because I overheard my father telling Iche Kwelu that the only way the gods will compensate you is for you to give birth to the next AZG.
May the gods have mercy on me.
They will have mercy on you. He also said the first child of an AZG must be a son. That is how it has been.
Uju, I'm very scared though. Because the way I'm looking at that Ofemanu girl, she might just give birth before me.
Don't say that. You don't have to panic. She will not give birth to a son. Or one she will give birth to one. Don't panic. Or one she will give birth to one.
You just told me what Ichebelwe said.
I know I said that. Her traditional rites have not been done. Did they pay her rights? Did they do anything on her head? Don't worry, eh? Thank you for seeing me. I'll just go back, eh? Kamlawa. You know, go. Oh. Don't panic. You know, go.
Okay.
I will see you. Don't panic.
Thank you.
Snoring like a big elephant. Jesus! Me. I didn't know it was you. I'm sorry. I thought it was the Yoruba girl.
Mama, it was too hot inside. I decided to come and sleep outside here to take fresh air.
I went to church on Sunday. Àwọn ọmọ ìwọ̀n wọ́n ní para ẹ̀ fún ìjọba.
Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emu meji ọganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze n'ubi na nni, emu meji, emu mudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emu meji ọganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze n'ubi na nni, emu meji, emu mudo. Obidolu na bobo.
Make sure you give the paracetamol to grandma, once she's done eating. Let me go to the roadside and buy card. You know, go. Hello? Don't worry, I'll soon be with you. No, go. No, I'll be with you soon.
Don't carry me.
Sorry.
My leg.
Sorry.
My leg. This leg is paining me.
Sorry, my wife. Sorry.
Please, oh God. My waist.
Ndo.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. Mama. Olaro. Yes. Olaro. My leg. Yeah.
Mama, please. Hey, Mama, Biko. Mama, please help us. She's in labor. She wants to deliver. Mama, this baby is also your grandchild now.
Sorry. My tummy. Sorry.
Oh, Chalukwano, you've gone to call the midwife, okay? Why call me now?
Mama, it's not like that. Please, now this is not time for this because I can help us.
Too much pepper and oil causes the pain. Okay, look, it's okay. I'll go and get the oil that will relieve the pain and make you deliver fast.
Thank you, please.
Yes.
Let's put her. Drop the bag.
Judo.
Please, I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry.
My leg.
Sorry.
Wait. I want to poop.
Wait, hold it.
I want to poop.
Hold it.
Sorry. I want to poop.
Mama, please don't shout on her. Don't shout on her.
Abaluba.
Has he entered?
It will relieve the pain. Okay, relieve the pain. Abalu.
Has he entered?
Okay, relieve the
What happened now? Mama, oh no, look at me, Jack. Which mouth will I use to talk this thing that I want to talk?
Okay, talk to me now. Let me hear now. Talk to your mother now. What happened? What is it?
Bukio.
Oh, Ogechi, I've told you. I've told you to leave this old man alone. That the house belongs to you now. Eh? You are the owner of the house. Leave her alone.
Buki has given my husband the first male child.
Hi! Ekusina. It's smoking. Please, what did you just say? A male child or a female child? Male, one okay. Hey! It is finished though. My daughter, we are finished. That means that the son, as in the son of Onyofe Manu, will become the next SAG of this village. Hey! Mama! Hey! So, it automatically means that Buki gets everything. My husband will shift everything. My child's inheritance, all the love, all the affection, he'll just shift it to Buki. Mbam. Hey! Oh, that is even a small one. I'll get you, my daughter. That is even the smallest part of it. The love and the attention. Do you know the worst part of it? Eh? My daughter, I said, do you know the worst part of it? That boy, the son of that Onyofe Manu, in 3 months' time will be welcomed into the Emumeji's fold. Hey, my female, hey! All my dreams, all my hopes, everything, they are gone. How will I walk in this village with my head side? How will I look different? How will I look my fellow women? Oh, what about my goodies, oh. And I'm a baby to come back. And I'm a passion to come back. How will I be walking in this village? How will I be walking with my head high anymore? I can't walk with my head anymore. All my dreams is done. Hey!
Ndị Ichie, that one Mba Awezerji refused to send away has given birth to what? Or birth to male or female? To a son.
Hey!
To a son. Hey! So what do we do? Ogonna, no. My elders, this situation can only be likened to a situation where a man has a boy on his scrotum. If he tries to puncture it, trouble. And if he says, let me leave it, that's why you see the main trouble.
Wahala.
All the car, Ebere Okaro, eh? Oh, where she go beginning? Come back here. If we so, I was going to go happy. If I can't so good, I wouldn't care. It's your chance. As the head and president of our Emumeji, what is the way forward?
Iche Obiajon, if we have to move forward, we should not leave all the problems for Uche Uchendu alone. Because the cooking pot for the chameleon is also the cooking pot for the lizard. We have to begin to think of the way forward.
Together.
But Ndiche, 2 Agama lizards cannot be in one territory.
That is true.
We cannot have 2 sons succeeding one AZG. If Obina's real wife gives birth to a son, that is when the main confusion will come.
No, the quaint.
I don't think there will be confusion. Yes. Our gods are not gods of confusion. Yes. I suggest we should see Ozukambu. And then he will in turn consult the gods on this matter. Very, very
Ichionwudewa, you have spoken well. We will go and consult the gods and know what they have to say. But I know I'm the custodian of Emumeji. But I will not go alone. Because I will phone you for. So in that wise, Ichie Igbelu and Ichie Ndulwa, you will go with me. Yes, so let's go together. Ndemubeji, have I spoken your mind?
Yes. And I will not give in to that. Let us report on. Trust me. We will surely say something. Gentlemen, I think this is a cause for concern because we were warned before. We were surely warned. Go out, please. Take care of her. No. He has a sick wife, so let him go and take care of her. What I'm trying is that there is no way we can do this thing without it. Even considering what happened the other day, we are
See how he's eating. You're very lucky. You know some babies, you have to force them to eat.
This one can finish everything. Pot of soup there.
And it's so
that
cute.
is still young.
Agadi abo. Agadi Ekwensa with Mama Yongi. Father will marry. Nonsense. 30 years in the university, half degree. Won't be in check out. I'll never name one.
Ajonwa show we bayen ne afọ. See, pikin we follow from back enter mama belle. Na better pikin be that way.
Did she say they born me through the back? I will show her. She talking to me?
No. Na me she dey abuse, but don't worry, I can handle her.
Thank you.
Yeah.
My friend, this is very good. Let me use this opportunity to tell you something. Haven't you noticed that this girl, they call her Eshu, where I come from? Devil, she's a devil. She and devil, they live in mini flats together.
You're right. Okay, you're right.
Yeah, can you imagine? But now that I've given birth, trust me already. I will show her Lagos. I will so deal with her now that I've given birth.
I trust you. Buki, I trust you. Buki, have you called your mom to tell her you've given birth?
Oh, already. Well, I called her. As I said hello, she just said hello. I said, Mommy, I'm sorry. Hey, talk. I said, Mommy, please, I've given birth. I just want to tell you. Look, I don't like where you are. I don't like where you are. Leave there and come back home. If not. That dirty place.
Are you serious?
She was angry. She didn't answer me. Well, I just cut the phone.
Even when you're giving birth to our own grandchild.
You know my mommy.
That's so sad.
Well, leave that aside, don't already. I have gist for you. Before you came back home, I followed some people to this Igbo people's church.
Are you serious?
Already! I like the way Igbo people do praise and worship. It's different.
What did you learn?
Igbo people. That is this pot thing with foam. Let me sing of it. Nagini lena sing. Bumbe shike big bumbo itabuni le nasi ebube pa ebube jehova imo marama ili marama na ulili le nasi ebube keke toko good women ebube jehova marama na bulile o la bulile o already
sit down, you will not kill me.
You will
Let
not
me
die.
teach you. Listen.
Oh yeah. Oh, my friend, you're using auto. Let me sing it in bars. Ebube
Jehovah Maramba.
Oh, Ebube Shiroka, Marama, oh Marama. Hey, you put us extra.
Nema muamu ta malive. Nna muamu bakagu amu ta malive o. Na nwagu to hunsa semisha agbodogo ni Igbo. Nwagu to hunse bia semisha agbodogo ni Igbo. Na nne m kuwe moto ma mgbe mmalụ na me. Na nna m kuwe moto ma mgbe mmalụ na m. Ịma na okolo nke m nọgị n'egwu echi ofologbo. Ịmakwa na mgbogo nke m nọkwa n'egwu echi ofologbo. Mbogo bụrụ isi Eneke nke dị ụbọchị ya ụbọlọtọ ọkụkọ isi orotirio. The eye of the gods. Ozukampu. What did the gods say? Keep quiet! I am still communing with the gods. Mbogo bụrụ isi Eneke nke n'ụbọchị ya ụbọlọtọ ọkụkọ isi orotirio. The gods are quiet. They have not spoken. You have to go. Iche Uchendo. Go. I will send words across to you. When the gods speak, go. Nanema muamugu amuamuda malive. Namu muamu bakagu amuamuda malive. Nawaguda wunza semisha bodogodibo. Nwaguda wunze bakashibisha bodogodibo. Nanemu gubabo to mambe malona name. Nanemu gubabo to mambe malona name.
Ogonna. If you mean natural, every time I offer you something, it seems natural. It's not nice now, I give you apple to eat, it's natural. Nyesemo to eat, it's natural. Pounded yam, it's natural. We don't know who has to do it's natural. Why are you starving yourself? Bam bachelo. By starving yourself, you're starving my grandchild. It
is not food that is doing me now.
No, again.
What is doing me? Buki has just given my husband a child, a male child, and you're telling me to eat. To eat what? When you know that Ezeji will divert everything to Buki's side. All the focus will not be shifted to Buki. Affection, hand channing Bukis. Who will be rubbing my back at night? Kedi na kodun me fa. Maybe go happen.
Onyekwa bu ada mu.
Where is your Igbo? Where is your Igbo?
Chalo, no. Who are you?
Igbo.
You say you're not Igbo. Who are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Keep your greetings to yourself. So, Bobby, Keep your greetings to yourself. Oh, this is where hopeless jagbajantis, no identity like you, is keeping my daughter on stage. Have you met her?
Daddy B. Welcome. See your grandson, oh, fine boy.
Timbako Batifo, Timba for leti. Where grandson call? Oh, Buki, you have disgraced me. You have disgraced me. So this is where you are living. My daughter, the daughter of Otuma, Fashola Badmus. Oh, Baba Isaleko, Baba European, and by the special grace of God, one day governor of Lagos State. This is where you are living. You are a disgrace to my family. Yes, and you are, and my father will not forgive you.
Ikutelia, she's a disgrace. From your father's mouth to you, you are a disgrace to the family. You are an embarrassment. You are evil in the family. What is it that my son is giving you that no other man outside would not give you?
Let me tell you what it is that my husband does. It is called Efelensata, plate washing. That my husband, my legally married husband, illegally washes for her.
Hey, Ocho, okay. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Which place is Omoyibo washing for you? Tell me, which place is Omoyibo washing for you that you want to die in this God-forsaken, poverty-ridden environment? Show me the plate and let me break it. Show me, I want to break it.
That plate is unbreakable. Let me talk what is in my mouth. That plate, it is unbreakable. You know that plate, eh? It is in between the inner cackles. Yes. I never illegally married husband. They met to your illegally married daughter.
Hey, Buki. So it's because of this thing between this Tonto boys like that is why you come back your load all the way from Lagos to come and live here and live the mansion in Lagos. Buki.
Now I understand. So it is my son's python that he uses on your daughter. Python without eyes. So it moves to any direction. That is why your daughter has refused to go.
It is better you follow your father now since you did not follow your mother. Because of Flaka, I can't just suji. I will pound you like pounded yam. I will pound you like pounded yam in this house.
Go. Tobacco Batifo.
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry.
You are stupid.
Plate washes.
Look, it will not better for you. You are telling me you are stupid. After you enter my house and embarrass my house and disgrace my family, you are telling me you're sorry. All right, I will deal with you. I will come back for you. And as for you, what? More for you.
Ife me, Onyembuno be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever. Oh,
Kola, don't do your law, mom. No, I pay me no jet. Don't do your law. Just look at the environment you are living. Just look at it. Let me take you back to home now, please. Let me take you back home, please. Joe, the man we are even talking about is married. His wife is heavily pregnant. Now, tell me, which responsible man will impregnate 2 girls at the same time? Tell me.
Daddy, please now. Emo, I love you and mommy so much. I won't intentionally want to hurt you. Daddy, please. Yes, he's married. But I understand. He has explained things to me. I understand the circumstance. Daddy, please. He didn't just do everything intentionally. John to real long. He loves me, and I love him too, Daddy.
It's a lie. He's only pretending. He's a little boy. When they see money, that is how their eye will be shining. In fact, he's looking for my money. It's my money that is targeted. And as soon as he grabs it, he will just dump you and run away.
Daddy, he's not going to do that, Daddy. He's not going to dump me. He has done so much for me, Daddy. Papa, it is plenty things for me,
What has he done for you that I have not done for you, I say? Tell me, what has he done for you?
Okay, Daddy, you know what? He was the one that's actually...
Bayo, give me that knife, make cut her breast. Bring her sharp because get as this place look like now. And don't touch this area now. Arrange them sharp, time no day.
Boss, I suggest say, as this girl find like this, we for just like tidy her, for
tidy her. Are you mad? We don't talk of money here, we are talking nonsense. Give me the knife.
Yes, boss. But boss, this...
Shut up! One shot. God.
Wait. God. But who were they even shooting at? Huh? Where were they, sir? We don't even know where they were. And now, how do we get out of this place?
I'm robbers now.
I know. Wait. Did you hear that? Are they coming inside the bush? Go where now? Let's know. But you know it's you that caused this thing. You need to understand the person you are living with. Me, as this my SAG title, it gives me insight to know when there is danger. If you had listened to me, we wouldn't have gotten involved in this. We would have stayed at home today, but you insisted we should go. Now, see where are we now?
Guy, understand now. We are still hustlers now. Okay, I do anything bad when I say make we go hustle. Now hustling would they go now?
What if Julius had met me today? What will happen to my traditional constituency?
Please, let's go.
Huh? Let's go. Go where, brother?
Let's go this way now.
Wait, come. See over there. Can you see? Wait. See, now it's a girl.
Let's go this way now. You want to go there?
Are we going to leave her to die there? Try and understand my...
Leave me.
Try and understand my position. As the SAG, I'm supposed to protect my subjects. I can't leave her to die like that. My conscience will not allow me go. Please, let's go.
But you just said that the SAG does not make you a Superman. Why do you want to go and risk your life?
Even if I die saving this girl,
I don't mind.
Okay,
Let me save her. Let's save her.
Just go. I'll watch your back. Yes, I'll watch your back for you.
You sure?
Go. I'll watch your back. Oh yeah.
So, Daddy, that is what he has done for me. This man saved my life, if not for him. With all the bad situations around, he came to save me. That place was very dangerous.
And so what? And so what? People render help to people, okay? Even myself or I can do it. It's nothing. It is when he discovered that you are my daughter. That is why he started preaching love to you. And you foolishly surrender.
Daddy, I didn't foolishly surrender. Daddy, you foolishly surrender now. Why are you talking like this? Daddy, he has explained everything to me, but Daddy, look, he has a good heart. If you understand him, you would like him. He loves me, Daddy, Joe.
Look.
He loves me and I love him.
Look, Buki, no matter how you pretend your love for this Omoyibo, I will never accept him as my son-in-law. Ben Muso, I will never accept him. So, Bobby, I will never accept him.
Daddy, well, no problem. I pray that anything will not happen to you and Mommy. You people will not die. But if you will not accept him, it's better you just disown me.
Hey, Buki, is it me you are talking to like that? That I should disown you? Oh, I'm sure this is not ordinary. This Omoyibo has given you something to eat. And I will make sure I neutralize it. In fact, I am going now. And by the time I come back, I will deal with you. Saidi! That I should disown you. Saidi! Let's go.
Ẹ má wá jà bíbá, don't come and fight here. Ọmọ Igbo lágbára gan o. Daddy wọn lágbára, wọ́n ń jà o. A kú náà jẹ o. Wọ́n wá gbogbo ilé ìgbà nítorí Ọlọ́run. What would I do now?
Ìfẹ́ mi, onye mkpuno be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you, we're together forever, olólùfẹ́.
That must be the solution, and no more.
Why are the gods silent? If not that Obinna's doom is here.
Ichiuchendu, I greet you. My fellow Ndememeji, I salute you.
Obinna, you don't actually behave like the SAG of this community at all. Eh?
At all. Your father, Okadibo, did not behave this way. Why?
Also, all the former SAGs before your father. Exactly. None of them behaved like this.
Why? But come, SAG, what is wrong?
The gods have been silent concerning the next SAG. Because your true wife is pregnant and is yet to give birth.
Ichiuchendu, my fellow Ndememeji, I am surprised to say the least. Why must we deliberate over something that is clear? I have a son, you all know it. The one that was given birth to by Buki. The next SAG in line as the tradition entails.
Through who? The same woman you refuse to send away. Consequently, the silence of the gods means you must die.
Exactly.
For defiling our tradition and to pay for the straightening our ordinance, or she shall die.
Then I'm ready to die. Yes, I will die for my love.
Eh?
Does love and tradition.
Why would someone die for the crime that she did not commit or know anything about?
This is the height of it.
Yes.
Something is wrong. SAG of Ogbunike. So you want to throw away your position because of a woman? You want to sacrifice our tradition and custom on the altar of love?
Yes. Yes, if our God has decided to be inhuman and unjust to a woman who does not even know the crime that you people are putting on her, then I'm ready to die for her. At least so that she will be alive to take care of my son, the next SAG in line, as the tradition entails.
Hey! Eh? SAG?
Yes, sir.
Anya Anya! SAG, what has that woman given to you?
True and undiluted love. That's what she gave to me.
Love. What business does love have with tradition?
We must play with the gods to spare your life and tell us who is the next SAG.
I'm really... This whole drama is really surprising me. As long as we talk about it, it's making me sick. That we're still pleading to our God to unravel who the next SAG is, when I already have a son, through Buki, and I also have another wife who is pregnant too.
What applied during the time of your father has been changed by you. When a farmer sets fire on the bush, he forgets that the fire affects the fertility of the soil. Obinna, a word is enough for the wise.
Ichiuchen, I have lived all my life to respect you, and that will not change. But one thing I want us to know today, circumstances had made me a husband to 2 women, and I love them. And it's my home, the SAG's home, not anybody's home here. I will manage it. Have a nice day.
Obinna.
This word he's dancing Surugede is enough for the wife.
Did he realize?
Surugede is the dance of the spirit.
He was with the elder.
The word is enough for the wife.
Hey,
dancing the dance of the
hey.
That's it. That's it. Take it easy. Take it easy. Wayo. Don't shout. Once you shout, for the first child, that means you shout for the next 10 children you will have. 10. Wayo. Wayo. And we can repeat and 8. Wayo. And I'm sure that oil I put inside there is helping too. Yes. The children go. Good girl. You see, I'm not playing. Let's go. Let's just take it easy. Take it easy. Hey, Tina! People woman, not pain. You get to hear. One get your Hebrew woman. Strong. But it is not cool. One leg at the time. One, the other one. Okay. Hebrew woman. Oh, get my Hebrew woman. Hey, my
Papa, you have been thinking.
Yes.
But I know what the problem is.
I've been thinking.
Papa, the main issue is who succeeds this SAG. And Obina's wife has given birth to a son as well. Then, the second problem is that the gods are still silent.
But do you know the third?
No, Papa.
The 3 months of blessing the SAG's son, which I'm supposed to perform, is at the corner. It is 4 days away, but the gods have not spoken.
Papa, so what will you do?
Ejom, Majuanya, if you ask me, who will I ask? This is too much for me. But if the gods remain silent, I will still perform my sacred function, because it is my right to perform such.
Papa, let's pray the gods will speak within the next 4 days.
Amuba agụba neke agụba igogolo. Amuba agụba n'ụzọ agụba kalụ mgbawa dị n'ụzọ. Amụma nwata nwa ogbu nwa na-amụchi n'ụgwọ nwa ọgwa na aja nwa ọdụ otu n'anya na m abagotere n'ụwa akwa efu mmadụ. Na-ekwobe nwa ọbaka maji aka. Anụ ekwobe nwa maji aka n'elu osisi. Agụba neke agụba igogolo. Emumeji ọganiru. Emumeji ọganiru. Emumeji ọganiru. Emumeji ọganiru. Ọganiru. Emumeji. 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 Ọganiru na gbogbo. Ọganiru na gbogbo. Emumeji ọganiru. Bring forth the child. Chibuo, the son of Ezeji Obinna Okadibo, on this day, which is the new moon preceding the Dikeh market day, I pronounce you the Aguba neka gogolo. Aguba neka gogolo. Ajama aguba neka gogolo. Aguba neka gogolo. Amoshilo ga aguba lozo, aguba kalungba wadu nozo. Why all these transgressions and rebellions against the gods? Why? Couldn't you have waited for ages for the gods to speak? This child is not Ezeji's successor. Yes! Give this child back to his father. The ways of the gods are different from the ways of men. The gods have spoken. Aguba n'ụzọ, aguba kalụ mgbawa dị n'ụzọ. Asa agbamụla edoso ya ọgụ na agbada hụrụ ka ọ jiri na-ejacha maka mụla agbaji ya. Aguba aneka aguba igogolo. Nwata efuru abụọ maka n'ụzọ tele anya. Na-enweziri ya akwa nwa ya n'azụ ma ya amaghị mgbe o jiri ụgbọala otubo ma alịka ya n'ezie. Enwekwakwa nwa ya n'azụ ọ maka amaghị mgbe ọ wara otu were ike ya n'ezie. Aguba aneka aguba igogolo.
Where is this girl? Ogechi! Ogechi! Please come out. The elders are waiting outside now. What is wrong with you? Please come out.
Ozukampu. The women will soon be out with the babies.
That is the will of the gods. No one questions the gods. Yes. No one must question the gods. Yes.
Yes.
in this butterfly that takes itself for a bed? Don't you have tradition where you come from? Don't you? Will you get out of this place now before I consume you?
You are talking trash. If you think you have juju, I have the highest juju here. That is bigger than any juju for any universe. And I will use it to deal with you. I will tell you that I am a descendant of Ereko from Ijebu-Ode. There is nothing you can do.
I will show you the powers of the gods. Now, Uchendo, lebe when no adaka. Lebe kuonyama. Ima. Ola lungi tagore when you went to how long have you been in this job? Ola lungi tagore.
I am an inspector. Yes. I am an inspector.
I will sack you. I will sack you. Ola lungi tagore. Olwa no mume. Ola lungi tagore. Olwa no. Ibrugudu. Ibrugudu. Ola lungi tagore. When you want to go to Melode nyiri dike. Imana melode nyiri dike. Imana melode ke jama dike. Melode nyiri dike. Atumbi imana melode nyiri dike. Imana melode ke jama dike. Onye gbara mmanwụ egwu ogworo isi eburu. Ụgba na nwata ezuwezu ọgbanyụcha ọkụ. Agụba ji mara onye ọkpụrụ isi. Iya! Melode nyiri dike. Imana melode ke jama dike nu. Olue n'omume. Olue n'omume. Hey!
Ogechi. Bring forth your son, Obidike. You are welcome, Obidike, the next Ezeji. When you grow of age, you will be initiated into Emumeji proper. Obinna, come and have your son. Otumba Badmus Ayodele Fashola, the son of Aderepo, the grandson of Abiodun, and you are the Onakakampo of Egba land.
What is happening? Baba, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. So you know me too well like this?
In the universe, we are all one. Our gods do their things in mysterious ways. This particular Ezeji has been destined to marry 2 wives. He is the first to marry 2 wives in many years. Yes, the gods chose Ogechi's son because she's in marriage. The same gods also said that Obinna's son with your daughter will not live outside. And that is why you must allow the father of your grandson to come and perform Bukola's marriage rites. Their union will bring peace and love between your people and my people. Their love is love of destiny. Ogechi, you must make peace with Bukola. And as for you, Obinna, your blessings are on the way.
Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emume ji ọganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze n'ubi na nni, emume ji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo. Abịa n'ubi jibweze, abịa na nni jibweze, Chinebute afọ ojuju bute obi aṅụrị obodo ebili n'udo. Chinebute afọ ojuju bute obi aṅụrị obodo ebili n'udo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emume ji ọganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze n'ubi na nni, emume ji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emume ji ọganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze n'ubi na nni, emume ji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emume ji ọganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze n'ubi na nni, emume ji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emume ji ọganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze n'ubi na nni, emume ji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emume ji ọganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze n'ubi na nni, emume ji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emume ji ọganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze n'ubi na nni, emume ji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo.